Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Claude Desktop, an essential MCP concept. So, what is Claude Desktop? Claude Desktop natively supports MCP, letting you connect local and remote MCP servers. This is one of the core ideas in MCP that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about Claude Desktop. Point 1. First major client with built-in MCP support, Anthropic. Point 2. Connects to local style servers and remote HTTP/SSE servers. Point 3. Shows server list, tools, resources, prompts in UI. Point 4. Handles permissions, progress, cancellations, logs. Point 5. Primary way most users experience MCP today. And that is Claude Desktop explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new MCP concept every single day. See you tomorrow.